It's the first morning of moose season here, October 19th, and we have a few bulls down in there that we found the past couple weeks, and just fresh sign the past couple days. The wind's perfect. We've been waiting here since like 4 in the morning, making sure we got the spot all to ourselves. We're just getting ready to head down in there, start calling. It's October 20th, second day of moose season, the first day. We went in there, all 7 spots, we scouted the moose, moved out. It was like it just completely vanished. No fresh sign since the last time we scouted, and that was just last Tuesday. So, we've been looking around all day yesterday and today. We finally found some fresh sign up in here, and it looks like real fresh. I'm hoping we can get one tonight.
There's 2 of them. I bet you it's 2 moose. It's making way too much noise. Is he coming, Marty? He's coming right towards us. He's standing right now. How far? 100 feet. Here he comes, yeah.
He's behind the tree for me.
Here he comes, Jared.
Yep.
Let him come in. Shoot him. He can.
Keeped him right up. He's down right there.
Good shot, buddy. That is
Good
a
shot.
beauty.
Awesome job, bud. We got him.
Bolt another one in just in case.
I did. It's in.
That's a 50-incher.
Absolutely.
He's high 40s.
Oh my God.
He was gonna. I didn't want him to arc and run back into that cut. What do you think, buddy?
I think we worked pretty hard for this bull. We probably walked 20 miles the past 2 days.
Turn around and look at the camera.
I'm looking at him. He's. We probably walked 20 miles the past 2 days, and you know, this morning. Thank you, buddy. This morning we walked up, bud. Right. We walked up into this cut. We thought we saw some fresh sign in yesterday. There was nothing there. We called last night. It was freezing. We boy, I had a dream last night, and it was a weird one, but it was about a moose, and I kept having this feeling about this spot, and I told him I wanted to come up in here, and we heard something smashing through there.
I think there's 2 other bulls fighting up in there.
Probably. And this great big one started coming down through, and he got probably 50 yards, and I put it to him.
Well, let's walk up there, buddy.
You got the camera off?
No, it's still going. I'm gonna run the whole time.
Cool. Alright.
Boy, he's a beauty, Jared.
Absolutely.
Yeah, he's a beautiful bull. I'd just stand here. He's not going to do anything.
You ready?
Yep. Well, Jared, you did it.
I did it. We did it. Thank you guys. It started out rough. We had 7 spots scouted out where there was moose sign, and I don't know. It was like they just disappeared all at once. There was no moose left in there. We started to get discouraged, and there's 2 moose fighting behind me. We came in here this morning. We're actually at a different spot, and we had some moose sign there yesterday, some fresh sign. It was the only fresh sign we found in 2 days, and I had a weird dream last night. Came in, I said I want to come in here, and we came in, and we could hear all this crashing going on out there, and we figured it was 2 moose fighting, and then I could just hear his horns hit off the tree, and my dad said, there he is right there. And he came right into about 40-50 yards, and I put him right down in a heap. And did it with my grandfather's gun he left to me. He passed away last spring, and it just means a lot to me to get it with his gun. It's just really special.
Get on in there, Marty. Let me get a shot of both of you guys.
So happy for you, bud. Good job. Absolutely.
Well, he's a great bull. Nice heavy horns.
Yeah, look at that blade. It's wicked cool.
He's a great bull. He's probably 48 inches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on that side. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 on that side.
This is Jared's second Vermont bull. He shot one when he was 8 years old with Jeremy and I.
Congratulations, bud.
Thank you.
Good job.
Got her done.
Now the work really begins. We got to get him out of here. What a pretty animal they are, man.
Yes, they are.
That was exciting.
That was.
He came
phenomenal.
in quiet. Those 2 bulls are up there fighting. We can still hear those bulls right now.
I'm surprised.
They're up there fighting. I think this is a satellite bull, and he's a good one, and he's a satellite bull.
Listen to him.
Yeah, he's wide.
Yeah, he is.
He's wider than your gun. Well,
You have a picture of me with him?
Yeah.
Thank you. Turn his head up that way and get one there. After.
Yep.
hey, your father?
No. He's down there. What? Yeah.
hold one with your, hold the gun up. Take the butt of the stock on your leg and hold it up, and then get right back. Sit on the ground on the other side of the moose.
There's blood just running down the stream. Talking on the phone.
Just like that.
Yeah.
Still recording.